We do have some isolated showers around right now. Coverage area may get a little bit larger here over the next couple of hours or so, but you need to know that this is not going to be a widespread rain event. It's just going to be some hit or miss showers, a couple of thunderstorms possible. What the reason behind, the rationale behind issuing this Weather Authority alert day is the fact that the ground is very saturated. And I can tell you that if the rain showers avoid areas that have a saturated ground, we'll be likely ending this Weather Authority alert day early. But it depends on what happens here over the next 2 to 3 hours, especially for areas south of Highway 460. As we expand the picture a little bit for you to find the showers, to find the thunderstorms, you head from North Carolina into South Carolina, Georgia, and of course into Florida. That is where we are dealing with torrential rains because we have a hurricane on our hands. Her name is Idalia. And friends, you will notice that we have hurricane warnings for areas shaded in this orange color, in this brown color towards eastern parts of Florida. That's where we have tropical storm warnings. So much of Florida right now either dealing with hurricane warnings or tropical storm warnings. You also need to know that it's not going to be much longer before this makes landfall along the Big Bend area of Florida, likely as a major hurricane. Now, as far as the future radar is concerned, certainly a whole lot of rain going to be falling from Idalia in Florida, also into Georgia. Going to continue to see more rain situated into the Carolinas here over the next 24 to 36 hours. It's going to be an incredibly wet go of it across North and South Carolina here as we head into Wednesday and also as we head into Thursday. But for us, we're not going to see a whole lot of rain from Idalia, maybe just a couple of showers here or there, especially across South Side. We are really going to be aided by this cold front here, which is going to push Idalia further and further away from us. But the latest information I have for you is from the 5 p.m. advisory. Another advisory comes out at 8. Winds right now of 100 miles per hour, likely going to be stronger than that here when the next advisory comes out at 8, as this thing is developing a pretty well-defined eye, moving north at 16. Going to come on land, likely as a Category 3 hurricane in between Cedar Key and Apalachicola in Florida. And then it's going to head towards the Carolinas, where it will then push offshore, maintain its tropical storm strength. And it's not out of the realm of possibility that this thing makes a loop-de-loop and heads back towards Florida here by next week. Stay tuned. Future tracker showing the chance for some hit or miss showers, a couple of thunderstorms throughout the course of the evening. Doesn't look like everybody's going to get wet by any stretch of the imagination. Frankly, more of us will probably stay dry than get wet. Wednesday is going to be a day where we start out mostly cloudy and we end the day mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a slight chance for a couple of showers tomorrow, but most of us are dry. Tomorrow night, we're going to have the remnant moisture of Idalia get closer to us, but most of that rain stays in North Carolina Wednesday night into Thursday, such that by Thursday afternoon, any remnant cloud covers out of here, and we close out the day on Thursday with more sunshine. So increasing sunshine in the forecast for us here on Thursday. And once high pressure takes control of our weather late this week, it's going to be with us all Labor Day weekend long. So as we look ahead to Labor Day weekend, lots of sunny, warm days headed our way and hardly any rain chances until perhaps Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. 67 right now in Hot Springs, 73 Wytheville. You're in the upper 70s, Lynchburg, also into South Boston and Danville. For tonight, a couple of showers certainly possible, maybe a stray storm, humid with patchy fog. Overnight lows tonight in the 60s. 3-day zone by zone forecast showing temperatures in the 70s here as we head over the next 3 days in the NRV. In the Highlands, you're looking for the most part dry for the next 3 days. South side, you have among the better chances for a little bit of rain late tomorrow into Thursday, but most of the rain frankly stays south of the Commonwealth. In Lynchburg, you're 77 on Thursday, back up to 84 Saturday. Back to near 90 Monday and Tuesday of next week. And across the Roanoke Valley, you are looking at maybe a slight chance for a shower or two tomorrow and Thursday. Otherwise, it looks like Thursday afternoon all the way through Monday, you are dry with more sunshine to enjoy. A beautiful holiday weekend is headed our way. Woo! Today we forecast 80. The actual high was 80, $100 in the pot, $880 so far raised for the YMCA of Virginia's Blue Ridge.